Hello friends, today in this tutorial I will be showing you that how to convert the HTML into PDF using jsPDF, and we will also be integrating CSS in this. So first of all, you just need to create a basic HTML document. Let me just give a title to it, jsPDF CSS Example. And after that you just need to include your jsPDF script. So I will just paste the CDN of it. So this is a CDN, so I will close the script tag, and now we will be making a simple body. So after the head we will be having a simple body. So inside this we will be having a heading tag. This is a heading, and we will be giving a ID to it. Let's suppose heading. And now we just need to write simple script here, custom script, JavaScript code. And now we will be first of all be selecting this heading element that we want to convert to PDF. So for this we will be making a variable, let's suppose h1, and we will be using the document.getElementById function, and we will pass the ID that we have given, which is heading here. And now we will be making a new document of jsPDF by invoking the new instance of jsPDF. Let me just first of all refresh the application and show to you. This is a simple heading. Let me just refresh the application, you will see that. And now also I apply some kind of CSS. So if I change the background color, if I apply it to whole body here, let's suppose I change the background to red, and now if I refresh it, you will see that it has changed to red color. And now if I wanted to convert this to PDF, now I can just invoke a simple method from HTML, and we can just pass the HTML that I want to convert. This is, in this case I need to convert the h1 here. Now I will pass the x and the y coordinates, and lastly we will save this file as output.pdf. So when we launch the application, it will convert this and it will download it as attachment. You will see that output.pdf has been downloaded, and now if I open this file, you will see that this is a heading here converted to PDF. And now I just wanted to integrate the CSS as well. Let's suppose I target this heading element. Let me just change this heading to, let's suppose, copy this heading, and let me just change the font size. Let's suppose font size to 34, and also font weight to 400. And now you will see that this will be applied. Again output.pdf will be created, and now if I open this, you will see that it is applying these CSS styles here. I can even change the text color by changing the color property, let's suppose to red. If I refresh it, another PDF will be downloaded. If I open now, so this will be in the red color. So you will see that you can apply CSS styles also to your converted PDF file using jsPDF. So this is a method that is responsible, which is from HTML. So in this way you can add CSS styles to your jsPDF PDF documents.